What's going on, family? This is your man Matt DV. Today we are going to join Have You Met Newark for a walking food tour in the Ironbound section of Newark, New Jersey.
The train gets you there in about 18 minutes.
Okay, y'all, here we go. We're going to our first stop, and it's going to be to Sahana's. You remember this? Here we go. How you doing? All right. I'm glad we came to this spot, Sahana. It's definitely a great spot for coffee, cafe, and some delightful treats that we had. Nice pastries. I definitely will be coming back here to sit down, have some coffee, and edit some video. That is really good. Right now we crossing Congress and Ferry, and I told y'all I was coming back to this spot, Ferry Street BBQ. Oh my goodness, let's go in here. Got the Ferry Street BBQ, y'all. We going for it. We're going for it. Thank you very much. My chef himself right here. Oh my goodness. Look at that rib, y'all. Look at that rib. I'm waiting for someone to eat one.
The rib?
Yeah, the rib.
I got an end rib here. That's good.
Oh, he said, That's a good sign.
That's a good rib.
Okay, what's going on over here?
Ribs are going on.
Anytime it gets quiet at the table, that means there's good food at the table. He said he's handling business. Let me leave him alone. You guys concur?
Awesome.
I got that hot sauce on it. Yo, we're gonna put a little ketchup too. I know you guys aren't gonna like that. Did he put ketchup on those ribs? I mean, ketchup and hot sauce, that's the sauce. Oh, look at this, y'all. Get it up.
And I think it's their own creation. Do you work in New York?
Here we go.
No,
Okay. Yep.
but yeah, I was out in California for 2 years.
Okay.
And moved back 7 months ago. But yeah, knew I didn't want to live in New York, but
You gotta have a car.
Be close to, for sure.
Things that America takes for granted. a grown person dragging their laundry down the street. Only in New York City.
That was the rib, y'all. I didn't go for the chicken, but I'm gonna grab a piece of chicken, a small piece. We're here with Have You Met Newark, and they aren't no joke. We're about to put on the pounds, y'all. And we're just getting started. Oh, wow. All right, y'all, I got this piece of chicken right there. See that?
Still have some family there. I have a half.
Let's check this out. See that piece? We're gonna just get that piece hanging off there.
Still have some high school friends. So it's pretty much I graduated from high school. Okay.
Just that flavor from the barbecue pit is delicious.
It was more a couple times.
We're gonna add a little hot sauce. Chicken, man, it's delicious.
It wasn't just okay.
Green.
Oh, it's delicious.
People are really nice.
I love that barbecue flavor though, and the flavor is delicious. It's all about the flavor. Okay. All right, y'all, we got questions now. Chicken or the ribs?
I think I'm gonna go chicken.
Chicken?
I'm gonna go ribs.
I
I like the ribs.
He likes the
I
ribs.
like the ribs.
2 for the chicken.
2 for chicken.
I think I'm doing ribs.
Ribs. Wow.
The deciding factor.
Wow.
I do like the chicken, but I think I have ribs.
Uh-oh, is that your fiance? Oh, what's going on?
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, are you guys married?
Yes.
Okay, so you went along with your wife then, huh?
yeah.
He can pick whatever he wants.
She says that now.
Thank you very much. I'm gonna go on camera saying the chicken, I mean, both of them were delicious, man. Both of them had delicious flavor, but that chicken was so tender and juicy, man. I'm gonna go chicken, then ribs.
I'm gonna go hot sauce too.
Hot sauce. Okay, we didn't ask about the hot sauce. 1 for hot sauce. I'm with her. But it's kind of smoky here. Smell barbecue in the air. You guys smell like barbecue.
It's my cologne.
Jefferson and Ferry, y'all. What's that? Pau da Terra? Pau da Terra? Going in, man. Let's go in and check it out.
So these are called Pastel Donata, plural is pastéis. And these are small little egg custard cups. There's a dozen here, so everyone can have 2. And they're big, they're hearty. There is a little bit of story that goes with it that you'll get if you visit this bit. There's an original bakery that makes these in Portugal. And the story is, obviously, who knows the story, is that there was a monastery in Lisbon, and they used back in the day, they used to use egg whites to starch their collars and habits and things like that. So they had a lot of leftover egg yolks.
Oh, okay.
And so they used the egg yolks to make this very custardy egg cream tart. Because Portugal had such a large empire at one point, they brought this food around the world. And so in China, there are very similar versions of this that came from Portugal to China. And so, like, one of my tours, I gave, like, somebody who's a credential employee, he had just worked in Shanghai, and he's like, I'm pretty sure they're Chinese. I'm like, I'm pretty sure they're from Portugal. We had a little beef. It was 2 Jersey people talking. It was like, I'm pretty sure. So if you go around the world, you'll see these. It all comes from the same
What's the name of them again?
Pastel Donata.
Pastel Donata. Okay, y'all. I'm about to taste it, and I'm just going to be totally transparent. I've already tasted it. It's delicious, but I just wasn't recording. But now we're recording, man. It's really delicious. It does taste like custard pie, and this pastry here is delicious. And I would agree with my friend over here. It does taste like a crunchy, crispy croissant with custard on top. But it's delicious, man. Really delicious. Look at that.
Good stuff.
So when we're trying real quick, just a quick little sweet bite. Usually there's more variety. Today must have sold out of everything. So these are called brigadeiros. These are Brazilian chocolates. There's a little bit of a story that goes with it, which is that in the 1950s, a guy was running for president in Brazil, and he was a brigadier general, and brigadeiro is brigadier general in Portuguese. And so on his campaign, he was giving out these chocolates. And people were like, we're not going to vote for you, but these are great chocolates. And they caught on all over Brazil. And there's a growing Brazilian population, and so these are for you.
All right, y'all. What do you think? Is that rich?
Oh, it is.
It's rich. That one's rich.
Very nice cinnamon taste to it.
See? Now in Ohio they have something called a buckeye. It looks like
different than a buckeye, though.
okay.
Yep.
That's the first thing I thought of when I saw
So
it.
that's what the inside looks like.
Mmm, like caramel, yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. Does it taste caramelly?
It's very cinnamony.
Cinnamon, ah. We're going for it. Right there, y'all. See that? That's a diet one. So I don't want to hear from y'all. This is the diet one. Oh my goodness.
Like a condensed milk.
I can just drop. I can drop one of these in my coffee and just sweeten it in the morning. Wow. This is delicious, y'all. It's delicious. I should not be eating this. This is delicious.
Which one did you like better, the first one or the second one?
Here we go, y'all. Five Corners Italian Ristorante. Here we go, here we go. Let's go check it out. Let's check it out. It's very clean in here, y'all, just like before. This is it. And it's very warm in here. And we got Donna Summers in the background singing her Bad Girl. Yeah, that's it. Nice, man. Hold on, one more time. I want to get the website too. Nice.
So this is the chicken cavatelli in pesto sauce, house-made pesto sauce. The pasta is made in-house, so pasta is always fresh. This is our special dish, which is risotto fruta de mare, risotto dish with seafood. This one is chicken milanese, one of our best sellers on the lunch time. It's breaded chicken, fried with arugula salad, tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, garlic, and balsamic vinegar. And we have traditional lasagna, okay, house made as well. With stuff with beef.
It's definitely a situation.
Okay, y'all know I love seafood, so that's going to be it right there. The lasagna is coming down. Oh yeah.
Yeah, we don't want to make that situation.
That lasagna, y'all. Here we go, y'all. I got my sample plate. I got the lasagna there, and I got the risotto right there. That's all I'm going for. We get the lasagna. I love lasagna, just FYI.
Anybody else in? Ryan?
This is delicious. Lasagna is delicious. What'd you say about the pasta?
It's always it's house made.
It's made right here.
Yes.
Oh wow, that's awesome.
So it's not, you know, hard or
Yeah.
fresh pasta.
Risotto. Look at that. That shrimp has some of the shell on it, so I'm gonna pull that off. Matter of fact, it's time to use the Carolina forks again. Squid.
Right, they're so like, yeah. This church is very unique because it's built in the late 1800s.
Not for me.
German Lutheran.
This your man Matt DV hanging out with Have You Met NEWARK. Nobody told you they love you today. You hanging with the wrong people. Love you, cat. See you at the next one. Peace.